If you use OneNote to take notes, sketch ideas, or organize your thoughts, this feature can save you a ton of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ink to shape in OneNote so you can turn rough drawings into clean, professional-looking shapes instantly. It's a simple trick, but it makes your notes look much more polished and organized. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OneNote and go to the page where you want to draw. This can be any notebook section or page where you're working on notes, diagrams, mind maps, or sketches. Once you're on the right page, look at the top ribbon menu and click the Draw tab. This is where all the inking tools are located, including pens, highlighters, and shape tools. Now, look toward the right side of the Draw toolbar and find the Automatic Shapes option. Turn that feature on. Once it's enabled, OneNote will be able to recognize the hand-drawn shapes you make and convert them automatically. This is what makes the tool so useful because you don't need to redraw anything perfectly by hand. Next, choose a pen tool from the menu. You can use a mouse, trackpad, or a pen tablet stylus, depending on what you have available. Now draw a rough shape on the screen. It can be a circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, or diamond. Don't worry about making it perfect. In fact, the whole point is that you can draw it naturally and let OneNote do the cleanup for you. As soon as you finish the shape and lift your pen or release your mouse button, OneNote will automatically convert that rough sketch into a clean geometric shape. The lines become straight, the edges smooth out, and the result looks like a proper vector-style shape instead of a handwritten drawing. It happens instantly, so there's no extra step needed. If the shape doesn't convert the way you expected, just try drawing it a little more clearly, or make sure the Automatic Shapes feature is still turned on. In some cases, using a pen tool instead of another drawing mode can help OneNote recognize the shape more accurately. Once you get the hang of it, this becomes a very fast way to create diagrams, labels, flowcharts, and structured notes. You can repeat the process as many times as you want to build out your page with clean shapes. This is especially helpful if you're making study notes, planning a project, or creating a visual layout in OneNote. Instead of spending time trying to draw perfect shapes by hand, you can focus on getting your ideas down quickly and neatly. And that's it. You now know how to use ink to shape in OneNote. It's a quick and easy feature that can make your handwriting and drawings look much more professional with very little effort. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.